Let's take a look at how to start the embedded sign-up process through the Infobip web interface. First, go to portal.infobip.com to sign up or logged in. Go to Channels and Numbers, Channels, WhatsApp, and click on Register Sender. There are 4 options for you to choose from. Select the one that fits your business situation the most. For this demo, I will go with Connect a number you have outside of Infobip. Tick the box to confirm you have read and understand the information above. Then continue with Login with Facebook. Fill in the information about your business to complete the process. Finally, verify your WhatsApp business number by entering the code. If you reach this page, you have successfully completed the embedded sign-up process. If you don't see this page, we understand not all journeys are easy. Should you encounter any issues or errors, please contact cpass_registrations@infobip.com. Thank you for joining us in this WhatsApp embedded sign-up demo. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we look forward to supporting your business journey with Infobip in the future.